How to use favorites feed over Instagram. While Instagram's following feed simply posts content chronologically from profile users who have added to the social media platform, now you can use the favorites feed, which lets you curate a special list of posts from accounts you love viewing and interacting with. Let me show you how. Open the Instagram app and then go to your profile. And then on the top corner you can see three lines. Just go select that option and you will see various available suggestions. Go to the favorites option and then you can see all your following and follower profiles, and then you can add accounts which you want to see first on a priority basis. These accounts can be your real life best friends, colleagues, public figures and content creators. Anyone with an Instagram account can add up to 50 profiles now. So when you are done with it, confirm your favorites list and then you can see the list anytime and you can remove anyone anytime. And the best part about it is, people will not be notified when they are added or removed by contacts to a favorites list. Let me refresh the feed now and show how your favorites are shown higher in the feed. So do try this hack today and don't forget to share with your friends.